Okay, today we're going to demonstrate how to put an initial image, a Docker image, and install it on a Unix box. First of all, we want to make sure we have the Docker install. If you don't have that installed, we can go ahead and install that using snap. Install Docker. We want to make sure that we have the Docker installed properly. Okay. So after that, we can go ahead and pull the Docker image from Inductive Automation. So we want to do a Docker run. We want to specify -d as we want to run the container in the background. And also we want to map the port from the default 8088 to another port number. Here I'll use 9088. After that, I'm going to specify the name of the container. Just call it initial-test, and after that it will be the name of the Docker image, Inductive Automation /initial. If you want to put a specific version of the initial, you can go ahead and indicate here. For this demonstration purpose, I'm just going to put the latest version that is available. After that is all initial arguments. -n is going to be the Docker gateway. The initial gateway name. And let me see. Let's call it Docker test. We want to specify the web address. I'm just going to call it localhost, and also the host, the port number. This is the regular HTTP port, and you can specify the SSL security port number also, which is anything 9043. And you have to set up the SSL if you want to do the HTTPS. So let's double check. Look like I've got everything, so I'm going to go run it. Okay, looks like need that 2 dash here. So if you can't find the image locally, it's going to pull that from Inductive Automation. Okay, so the image is there. It's done. So let's look at what we have. So we have the localhost. So this is the Docker image. Since this is the first time we look at that, the gateway, so we need to install the addition we want to use. Just do admin. Okay, so let's enable the quick start. Okay, so we can go ahead and test the gateway. I already have a designer. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and get the designer from the gateway here. We don't have that gateway here, so I'm going to add that manually to my list. Okay, so desktop container, the gateway name here. Okay, we can open up the demo project. Let's test the URL. So that's it. This is how you install the Ignition Docker station on a Linux box.